Hi and welcome back, my name is Emily. In this video I will be featuring a card using products from Mama Elephant, and I would say I have quite a lot of their products from previous releases. The last year I haven't picked up anything, but Mama Elephant had like this competition for being in a design team call for I think it's the month of September, and being a guest designer for them. So that made me like look at all of my Mama Elephant products, and it got me so inspired. You know how challenges can get you really motivated and like to dig in your stash and pull out stuff. So I was inspired and I wanted to create a project immediately when I saw all of the products together. And of course it turned into a video, as it always does when I'm starting to create. It's so handy for me. I just have my camera set up over my desk, so I just have to press record and everything is recorded, and then I can just do the voiceover. So that is how this video came about. So if you're interested in being considered for the guest designing spot, and doing exactly the same thing as I am doing, you can visit Mama Elephant's blog. I can leave a link down below, and you have until the 4th of August to apply and create your project. And yeah, it's a really fun competition. I like stuff like this. You can also visit other blogs that has competitions if you want to get inspired in the similar way. I know that, for example, Simon Says Stamp has Monday and Wednesday challenges. Yeah. So when I talked here, I colored some images from the Dandelion stamp set, and I also did some hot foiling, because you can do hot foiling with regular die. So I used one of Mama Elephant's number die sets and just created a nice spot. I also cut out I used one of the Organic Blooms stamps there, and I will just cut out the happy, and I just like this stamp set for the sentiments. The gorgeous flower is also amazing, but I really like these small tiny sentiments that you can use easily on a card. So when I was done with this, I started to assemble my sentiment here, and this is also from Mama Elephant. I used the birthday die set, and it's really intricate, so I wanted to step this up a couple of times just to make it stand out on our card here. So I cut it 3 times from white cardstock and 1 from holographic cardstock, and I also using my magic wand or whatever to call it. I know it has a name, but I forgot it right now. But this one is from Trinity Stamps. It's really nice to use for intricate dies like this. And I will just glue this on top of our white stacked die cuts, and that will make this sentiment stand out nicely. For my happy that I stamped out previously, I also went around the edges and with a black marker just to give it some clean edges. And here is one of the splatter stamps from Make a Forte. I love combining stamps from different companies like this, and I just love that stamp set. I believe it's 4 that has come out, and you can choose one or several of those when you're purchasing them. I think it was the number 2 I used for this card, and it has a little bit of a wider gap between the splatters, so all of them have different splatter combinations for them. So here I'm coloring in my number for this card. I have a lot of friends that is turning 30 this year. I turned 30 2 years ago, so I'm a little bit older, but some of my friends are turning 30 this year, so I wanted to create a card. And I have a special friend in mind that will definitely be getting this card. So she's turning 30 in September, so I'm looking forward to giving her this. And I also wanted it to have this vibrancy to the colors, to the numbers here, because my card base is quite neutral with just the splatters, the blue light blue cardstock. That is, by the way, from Simon Says Stamp. It's the pool colored one. I took a piece of holographic strip and just adhere it to the backside. I believe you could see it previously, and that will coordinate with our sentiment just to tie everything together. I have a top folded note card here. It's a standard A2 size card panel, and I will adhere everything flat down. And for my birthday and my 30th number, I put some double-sided foam adhesive to the backside just to give it some dimension. And then I will lay my creditors out, and they will stand on top of our birthday, just looking like they are jumping and having a good time. And that little mouse that is flying away, I will have it just slightly below them, so they are like all together in a really fun celebration. And of course I popped my creditors up a little bit as well with some foam tape. And then I went ahead and used my shimmer pen and coated the letters, and on top of that I will also go in with my glossy accent just to bring this some shine and dimension. It really makes a huge difference in person. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but it really makes the letters, or sorry, the numbers, stand out against our background. So here is a close-up of our project, and I hope you liked this one. If you did, please give it a thumb up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!